Hello friends, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. So let's start this video. As of today, you know that today is 25th December, Christmas. In the previous video we have covered the topic of the furry animals, so you can see, and we have also covered this game. And so today we are going to cover the topic of planting seeds. Okay. So let's start with the video. So welcome back to my channel. So let's start. So our topic is planting seeds. So seeds are usually formed inside a plant's flowers. Okay. So the seeds are usually formed inside the plant's flowers. Plants don't run and jump and play like animals do. Even plants are living things too. Like all living things, they grow and they need water and oxygen. Okay. But the plants, yes, you know that plants don't jump and play like us do. But they are living organisms. They are also living things, but they don't do it. Okay, they live in one place and grow, but they also need water and oxygen to grow. Okay, and they can't talk and listen. Okay, let's speak also. So you can see these girls are watering plants. Okay, facts: botany. Botany, the science of plants, a branch of biology. Okay, so botanist is a biologist who studies plants, and those plants have roots, stems and leaves. Okay, so you can see it's a plant, so it is the roots of the plant. So you can see it is the roots, you can see it is the stem, you can see it is the leaf and the flowers. So this topic was very easy and very little, I think, so it is completed. So let's try this. Let's be okay. Grow a plant from a seed. Okay, so you can try it. Let's read it. You will need a seed, a flower pot or cup with a small hole in the bottom to let extra water drain. Okay, you need it, and so then fill your pot with soil. First you have to fill your pot with soil. Then push the seed into the soil about 1 to 2 inch deep. Okay, so you have to push your seed 1 to 2 inch deep. Okay, then cover the seed with the soil. Then you have to cover the seed with the soil. Then moisten the soil with water. Then you have to give some water to wash the soil. Okay, then place your pot on a sunny window sill. Then watch and wait. It will take a few days for your seed to sprout. Check your flower pot each day and make sure the soil is moist. Okay? Once your plant sprouts, you can use a ruler to measure how much it grows each day. Be sure to mark down your observations in your science journal. Okay, so first you grow like this, then this, then this, and finally. Okay, so you can try it at home. You can watch. Please, you can watch this again. Okay, so the next is growing food. So my friends, what is a sort of question? Growing food. Can we actually grow our food? Yes. Some food we can grow, like the fruits and vegetables we eat, we can grow. But meat and fish, some people eat here. Meat, fish and eggs cannot be grown. They are given by us by animals. Okay, but the fruits and vegetables are grown by us. If the plants give us fruit and vegetables, and if we will not grow plants, we will not get the fruits and vegetables. So you have heard about apple tree, banana tree, mango tree, and if I say vegetable, you may heard of many trees. Okay, so you know many names of trees. Okay, so you can see it's a dairy cow. Okay, so the cow provides us milk. Okay, agriculture. Wait and make it a little. Yes, agriculture, the science of farming. Agricultural scientists uses science to help grow good food for people. Okay, so they are agricultural scientists and they farm. They have farms and they grow food for people. Oi, is it a... Yes, it's a verb. Verbs live in soil. They help keep soil healthy and good for growing plants. So you can see it's a verb and they live in the soil. And you can see it's strawberries. Yummy. Want to eat it? Okay, maybe. Some of our food comes from plants. As plants grow, they eat to take in nutrients from soils. Soil scientists figure out ways to make soil better for growing plants. Some of our food, such as milk, egg, and meat, comes from farm animals. Okay, means from hen, from the dairy cow. Okay, and you can see it's a corn growing in a field. So it's a person who is growing corn in a field. Okay, so there's a question for you. What are your 3 favorite foods? So you can say what are your 3 favorite foods. So this topic is nature's neighborhoods. So you can see in this nature neighborhoods, let us find out what we can learn about this from this topic, nature neighborhoods. So firstly, you can see there are 2 girls who are doing something. Yes, and you can see it's water. These are plants, you can see, or it's a lake, I think, or river. Okay, so let's read a little of this topic, nature's neighborhoods. So let's start. Picture a pond on the edge of a grassy meadow. So, sorry, it is not a lake or a river, it's a pond. Maybe a lake because it is looking big. And this is a meadow in which they are sitting. Or a bird swoops down over the water and catches an insect in his beak. Fish dart towards the shelter of some underwater plants. A deer wanders up to get a drink and stops to nibble on the leaves of a bush. So when the birds and the deer, they all look for food. It is written that the bird swoops down to catch an insect to eat, and a deer also wants to eat, and so he eats. A deer wanders up to get a drink. Okay, so the deer wants a drink and stoops to nibble on the leaves with it. It eats. The deer wanders up to get a drink and stoops to nibble on the leaves of a bush. Everything in this picture is part of an ecosystem, a kind of natural neighborhood. Okay, so this topic is about the ecosystem. Okay, means the bird eats an insect and the deer may eat a bush or leaves. Okay, so this is the ecosystem. Okay, so the organisms that you can see around you, the animals or birds or organisms that you can see around you are eating something new. Like we are eating the fish and we also eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, so this full system or a food chain is called an ecosystem. Okay, so facts: ecosystem, a community of living things interacting with each other and their environment. Okay, so you can see The ecology, the science of ecosystem. Ecologist, scientist who studies ecosystems. Okay, I think they're ecologists. Okay, an ecologist observes how all the different parts of an ecosystem work together. The more we understand about an ecosystem, the more we can do to keep everything healthy. Okay, so you can see it's meerkats. It's meerkats. Oh my god. Okay, so you can see a desert is dry. It can be hard to find any living thing here at all. The animals and plants that live here are must be able to survive with very little water. Okay, so the deserts have very little water because they are dry areas. Have you went to a desert? So the desert have very less vegetation. There are no plants. There are some plants such as cactus, but very little. Okay, and there are only a few animals can survive in the desert. Okay, with little water. Okay, tropical rainforest is warm, wet, and green. Many kinds of plants and animals live together in the ecosystem. So you can see it's a tropical forest, and it is wet and warm, and it is also green, and many kinds of birds and animals live in tropical forests. Okay, so you can see. Oh, he's watching with a binocular. A grassland, wide open land covered in waving grass. The animals that live here, such as bison and antelope, must always have plenty of grass to eat. Okay, because it's a grassy area and it has a lot of grass, and so antelopes and bisons who live there have a lot of grass to eat. So there's a question for you. Which ecosystem would you most like to visit? Why? Oh, there is another ecosystem with me. A tundra is a dry with winters that are long and cold. Here plants stay small and grow close to the ground. Only the toughest cold living animal can survive in this tundra. Okay, so this tundra is a very cold place. So from this four, which ecosystem would you like? This tropical rainforest, this desert, this grassland, or this tundra, this cold place? Okay, so you can answer this one. So if I wanted, I will surely choose the rainforest because it has water also. So in our next video, we will cover this exploring the neighborhood, and then okay, so let's cover it today because we have some time, and this is the last topic of this book. Okay, so it is exploring our neighborhood. So you can see this is a girl writing on a notebook something she is recording. Okay, so let's read a little. Your own backyard or neighborhood park is an ecosystem. Next time you go outside, try exploring that ecosystem like a scientist would. Okay, so you can see, try standing very still for a little while and see what animals move around you. They might be on the ground, on the sky, or in a tree. Please go in your home's backyard or in your neighborhood or the park and stand for a while and see. Many animals will move around you, such as for example, a dog can come and sit with you or near you, and then a bird can fly up your head, and then sometimes a fly can sit on your back, and sometimes a cat may come. Okay, so it's about this, and sometimes an insect may come. Okay, so you can see. So let's read a little. See if you can find out how many different plants and animals live in your own ecosystem. Make 2 columns of one of your scientist journal pages. Label 1 column plants and other animals. Then whenever you go outside to play, take a moment and go right down or draw a picture of everything you share. So we have covered this whole chapter. So in the next book review, we will start the Earth and Space. So Merry Christmas again. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so thank you so much and bye.